videos or images scaling. If I would like to resize a specific video that lays on top of another video or overlapping another video, this is a very simple and straightforward method. To do so, let's find out how we can resize a specific video. So I'm going to select a sequence here or a footage from my panel, and then I'm going to add this video towards my timeline. So let me just take the video only instead of the audio. Now, as you see here, I have the video within my program monitor, but the video is very small according to my resource or my source video. And I would like to scale this video up. As you see here, both of them are playing at the same time, but one of them is very slow rather than another, the one at the background. To do so, all you need to do is selecting your sequence at the bottom, and within your program monitor, all you need to do is double click on the video. So I'll double click, and as you see here, I'm creating a small frame around my video. Now, this is discussed in the previous slides where we spoke about the selection tool, and we said selection tool become very handy to work with the different frames or the different materials within my sequence. Now, working in my video here, all I need to do after I have here 8 vertex points, all I need to do is just dragging it up and down. As you see here, it's scaling up and down. So I'm scaling my video to cover my sequence. Now here I can see my video. It works now with my sequence properly. Now this has become very handy if you're going to apply a logo. And this is going to help you in the future within your projects. So now let me delete this sequence or this track right in the top by hitting the backspace on my keyboard, and I'm going to add my own logo. So adding my logo, at this point I will drag my logo and the logo remain all the time in the top track. So in this case, as you see, my logo is right in the top of my video. Now to move the logo around, all I need to do is just select the track and double click on my logo. Now I can minimize the size of my logo, and then I'll add it right in the top right corner. Here we go. Now see here, my logo just disappear at certain points, but I need it to cover the whole sequence. All I need to do is actually go into my sequence or to my logo and just drag it toward the end of my clip. So I'm just gonna go more toward the end of my clip. Now, as you see here, my logo remains all the time until the end of the video. So at certain point, if I need my logo to appear and disappear, all I'm going to do is adding the keyframe as we spoke in the last video. So again, I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard, adding my keyframes, drag it down the first keyframe, and you get the point. So at this point here, where I'm going over, you'll find my logo start to appear right in the top corner here. So this is how I'm going to add a logo in top corner. Now this is clear. If again, I would like my logo to be remained at any other point or my background video, I just need to minimize it. I'll just double click on it, and as you see here, I'm having 8 vertex points. So all I can do is just dragging it down or dragging it up to meet my desired size. Now, let's find out how we're going to save our final footage in the next video. Please stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.